Hey guys, this is Sam down here at Carns Powersports. Today I have a brand new 2023 Polaris Pro-XD Diesel Crew. This is the 4-passenger. You could probably squeeze someone in the center. This is your commercial model. It does come with your front bumper. This does have your Duro Enduro tires. They're a lot more durable on those work jobs. What's really nice about these Pro-XDs is that they have different seats in your base model. They're more durable if you're getting in there, getting out, just so they aren't easily cut. This machine does come with a horn, a backup beeper whenever you're going in reverse. What is awesome about this machine is it does have that big bed and it does pop up. This machine does have a Kubota diesel engine inside. It's about an 890 cc, something like that, around a 900, comparable to your Ranger 900. There's a receiver on the back if you ever want to tow anything around on the work job. This machine is made for work. Pro-XD has been around for a while. This isn't the only model I have in stock, but this is the diesel model. So come down to Carns Powersports, check it out, take this machine home, and give us a call today.